you're doing well. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you to Hemel, Hempstead, and then Welwyn Garden City. I actually went Hemel Hempstead like a week ago, maybe. I filmed some stuff, but I didn't actually do like a proper intro and things because I wasn't sure I was going to use any of it. But they're both in a similar area, Hertfordshire. So yeah, I just thought I'd put them in a video. So I'm going to put the Hemel Hempstead stuff now. Later me back again, and now I'm going to be going on my way to Welwyn Garden City. So yeah, come along with me. Also, I don't really know what to read, but I think I'm going to take this to start. This is Permafrost by Eva Balthazar, translated from Catalan by Julia Sanchez. I've never read anything by a Spanish person before, and this is translated from Catalan, not Spanish actually, because Eva is from Catalonia, Barcelona, I believe. So yeah, I'm excited. This is her first novel. I've also got Boulder somewhere in my mass of books, but this I know is definitely queer because it says Permafrost, no bullshit lesbian narrator is an uninhabited lover and a wickedly fun observer of modern life. So yeah, she's desperate to get out of Barcelona and sort of like travels different places, and everywhere she goes she tries to break out of the role set by her family and society, chasing escape wherever it can be found. Love affairs, travel, thoughts of suicide. Okay. Full of powerful physical imagery, the prize-winning debut novel of acclaimed Catalan poet Eva Balthazar was a word-of-mouth hit in its own language. It's the breathtakingly forthright call for women's freedom to embrace both pleasure and solitude, and speaks boldly of the body, of sex, and of the self. So yeah, that sounds a bit sad, but also like insightful and quite interesting. I'm gonna find my pen because I feel like this is a book I'm gonna want to underline. She's a poet, and like she's produced quite different like poetry works, and when poets write novels or books, they tend to be quite lyrical and lovely, beautifully penned things. So super excited for this. So yeah, I'm gonna read this. That's the little update. It's the worst for hay fever. I'm like crying, I'm sneezing, and it is everywhere. Why? But yeah, we're at Stanbrook Park with the geese and the ducks. It's so pretty. Lovely nature. So low. We're going to the south side. So I thought I might end this video now. I'm just waiting to get the bus back. And yeah, it's been fun. I went to a few charity shops, but I didn't really film them because they were just a bit busy and didn't really have much. But the only book I got was The Midnight Library, which I've already got, but I wanted another copy because it was like perfect condition, 50p, and I love that book. But other than that, I didn't really get anything else, or from Hemel Hempstead in the previous parts of this vlog. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed it. and have a nice morning, night, evening, wherever you are in the world, and I shall see you very soon. Bye bye.